Hi, in this session, I am going to explain trigonometric identities and other properties and everything. First of all, in this trigonometric identity, there are three identities are there. One is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second one is uh, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And third one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. There are three identities are there. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Next one is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. While you are doing these identities and applying identities, think about that algebraic identities. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Like this, first you understand that algebraic part also. So according to that, while the question is given, understand that question, convert, think about that algebraic expressions, where we are going to do, where applying of these identities and everything. So later I will explain. First of all, see how to change remaining things. Here sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So send this same as cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Suppose sin theta, if you are writing root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta root of 1 minus sin square theta. Same as this one also. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So secant theta equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. And tan square theta otherwise. So this one is the tan square theta means 1 come here. You write secant square theta minus 1. This 1 comes here, that's why secant square theta minus 1. So suppose tan theta root of secant square theta minus 1. Same as cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant theta equal to root of 1 plus cot square theta. Same as cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta equal to root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So first to observe everything. So write a number of times like this identities. You can understand how to use identities and everything. So after this, I am going to explain that remaining properties of trigonometric ratios. In these trigonometric ratios, sin theta reciprocal is cos theta. That's why sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. In these trigonometric ratios, sin theta reciprocal is cosecant theta. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta we can write. So cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta into sin theta equal to 1. This one is comes here into. That's why cosecant theta into sin theta equal to 1. Next one is cos theta reciprocal is secant theta. We can write like this. So cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So if you transpose this cos theta here, cos theta into secant theta equal to 1. Same as tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. So cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So cot theta into tan theta equal to 1. Daily you practice like this. Every time you write like this, you can understand how to use that this type of forms in that other questions. Cot theta into tan theta equal to 1. Same as tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Simple things are. Tan theta, why it is happens means tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta actually. Means what is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. By adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse cancel. So opposite by adjacent will be there. That's why tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So this cos theta comes here. So tan theta into cos theta equal to sin theta. So tan theta equal to sin theta into, you can write this one as 1 by cos theta. So sin theta into secant theta. So secant theta equal to tan by sin. Interchange, that is the transposing of ratios. Here cos theta will come here, tan theta into cos theta equal to sin theta. Suppose if you write this 1 by sin, cos theta, 1 by cos theta, sin theta into 1 by cos theta, that is, so sin theta into 1 by cos theta. This 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Sin theta will come here. Secant theta equal to tan theta by sin theta. You can change one ratio to another ratio. Same as cot theta also. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta into sin theta equal to cos theta. Same as this 1 by sin theta. Cos theta into 1 by sin theta. If you write like this, 1 by sin means cosecant. So cos will come here. Cot by cos equal to cosecant. Cot by cos equal to cosecant theta. In other way, we are going to take the angles. These are the compound angles formulas. Just I am going to introduce. These angles are not there in our syllabus, but in +1 +2 this is the introduction. That's why I am going to explain in this 10th class. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Before exercises we are learned this type of things. So AB sin 60 plus here sin 60 plus sin 30 equals sin 60 plus 30, not true. That is not true. That is false. We proved. Here this is the formula. If you take 60 30 60 30 60 30, so you can take answers will be equal. So now sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus sin cos A sin B. But here in cos level, see cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If plus is there, here minus is there. Please observe. Cos A minus B means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A, because if angles are increased, the cos values are decreased. So that's why it is formula is like this. Now tan, if you take tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B means tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. These are the next cot also there. We can write cot A plus B, cot A minus B. Suppose if you want secant and cosecant, that is the, already we know that how to change the complementary angles and everything. So we can rechange the formulas also. Okay. So please practice these identities and everything, so you can understand the formulas every time. Okay, next video session we are going to take the 8.4 exercise. Thank you.